that kick on your side, pull it maybe.
Destroyed the Range Rover.
Yeah, that's right.
Frank, I think there's a post there.
All right, side.
Get that.
Get a bit of room up. Catching something underneath. It was slippy on approach.
It stopped. So I thought, oh shit, what do we do now? Take the slip down and look
It's oh, you can see it. It's catching right on edge. Right on edge of handbrake drum. There.
Yeah, the at the bottom. My
Shit.
hand's raking.
Right. We haven't broke out, have we?
Imagine if the suspension was that high.
So, like, yeah, it'd be interesting, wouldn't it? Is it fully? Oh, it's not fully extended. It's not fully extended yet, is it? I don't think. Well, it won't be far off. Is it rocking? Right, it won't rock like yours. It's longer than yours, isn't it? You see. So,
I'll get some crisp, Frank.
okay. What we need to do now is, I think, pull it with Land Rover tie.
I've got your double question to make my
We're stuck.
I think it's straightening up a bit, so I'll just pull you at that angle.
Yeah, look, as long as it gets pulled over. It's this. There's an RSJ ain't ground here, isn't there?
That's what you hit first.
Did I hit that?
Yeah, that's what you hit, look.
Shit.
You went bong.
Yeah. I didn't know I didn't even know that were there. It's close, isn't it? Right, we'll have a go. A quick tug, and it should be off. Shall I get in? Come on, pull it tight, it'll pull over by its end. No, I better jump in, Anna. Let me jump in and give it an hand. Yeah, catching brake drum, wasn't it?
And that's it, innit?
Oh, look what it's done here to radius arm mounting. Put a dent in the radius arm mounting. Put a dent in chassis as well. A little dent in chassis. They need reinforcing, don't they?